Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm so glad that you're here today. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the bell down below to get notifications of when my videos show up or I go live. Louie has decided to join us, and today I am going to be unboxing my very first Trendmood box, and I'm very excited to have it, and I am looking forward to a couple things in here very, very much. Let's get this open. I love the sound of scissors cutting cardboard. It's like delightful. Let's see. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And it is very well packaged indeed. There's so many good things in here this month. And this is a $44 box, and this is the 10th ever Trendmood box, and it's my first ever. And the first things I'm going to pull out are the shampoos and conditioners. Louie, are you having a good time? He was having a good time. This is the keratin oil by OGX. It is 5-in-1 results for the conditioner and the shampoo. And I love these kind of soothing miracle gloss sprays, and it's a smoothing spray, which is exactly what I need for my very straight hair, which is fantastic. There is it's like a little ad for something, and then a card about the One Size brand. The next up I'm going to be opening is the Renew by Chabula Active Immunity Serum, and I'm always happy to have a new serum. And it is a classic. Let me see if it's a little shake. Oh, it smells like botanicals. Oh, it's like an oil. It's very emollient. And actually, that's what this paper was about. It was about the Chabula Active Immunity Serum. And it says, skin as strong as your spirit. And that it heals roughness and dryness. It brightens and plumps dull skin. And it smooths fine lines and wrinkles. And even skin tone. And improves elasticity and firmness, which is all things that we definitely need when we are over 50, which I am. Shh. Actually, I'm not ashamed of it. I'm very proud to be over 50. Next up, ooh, it's a little damaged, but I don't mind, is the One Size by Patrick Starr primer, and I can't wait to try this. And this is the, it says Secure the Blur. And I love a blurring primer. Let's take a look. It just looks like a white primer. Doesn't have much of a smell, it just smells kind of clean. You can't really tell much about it on my hand. But I will definitely give this a try because I'm always in the mood to try a new primer. And then we also got the One Size translucent powders in deep and translucent. Or I'm sorry, this ultimate setting powders, and this is translucent and this is deep. And obviously I'll be putting the deep in a giveaway because I am very fair complected. And it's a beautiful frosted plastic jar. And it's got a nice little plastic cover here to protect the powders from coming out. And it's a really nice size powder. And that's got a lot of, I don't use a lot of setting powders, but but that is nice. And there are 3 things left. I'm saving my favorite for last. The next up is a KVD Dazzle Stick, and this is in the color, let me grab my magnifying glass, Hail Surge. I can't wait to see what color that is. I think it's a silver. Is it gonna come out? Oh, now it came out since I broke the box. Oh, it's beautiful. And that is just gorgeous. That is stunning. And it's so soft I smushed it. But that smooths out really nicely. Very cool. I can't wait to start playing around with that. Now I do have a little makeup wipe here handy because the next 2 things I am definitely going to be swatching. And this is the actual reason why I've always wanted a Trendmood box, but I wanted this one specifically because it's got the Danessa Myricks Twin Flames eye colors in here. There's plastic on. Is there plastic? And it is in Young Love and Passion. And it is wrapped in plastic. I'm not worried about saving the cartons. I just want to get at the goodies on the inside. And this one is Passion. And it is a duochrome. And it can be used as an eye topper, it can be used as an eyeshadow, it can be used as a highlighter. Wow, look at that. It's got pink, pinkish purple, and green reflex. You can't really see the green, but you can definitely see the purple in it. It's beautiful. And then the other one is Young Love. I might even put a little on top of what I'm wearing now just to get a pop. And it looks very similar, but it is a duochrome. And that has like a blue, purple, pink. You can just see how beautiful they are. And I'm going to take this one, put a little more on my hand, and I'm going to use a brush to put some on my eye makeup. And that instantly gave it a giant pop. Look at that, it just made my eye look come to life. I'm going to do it on the other eye as well. It's really giving that beautiful duochrome look. Just really kicked up my eye looks a notch. Louis back again. And these are beautiful, and I'm so excited to have them. And these are like $25 or $26 a piece, so this more than paid for the box. But I'm still happy to get my Dazzle stick, my serums, my powders, my shampoos and conditioners. And this is a fantastic box. And just look at that. It just transformed my eye look. It's just magical. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice. Maybe you want to get Trendmood Box in the future because you get a ton of stuff to try out from really great brands. And have a great day.